There we go. Nice. Nice.
He knows that, and that's the best thing.
Nice. 30? There you go. Nice! Nice. Nice, Michael. Nice. That was nice. Nice. Oh, you lost.
That's it!
Oh, nice. Go, Hogan. Good pass.
Watch that ball!
Nice. Shoot it, dude. Nice. Good job.
Good job, Joey.
Nice move. Nice. Nice, Tyler.
The ball!
Get it back!
Come on, shoot it, Tyler.
Come on, baby.
Yes! Good job, T. Good job. Oh, rebound.
Nice. Rebound.
Nice!
Watch your pivot, bud.
Take it, Tyler!
Yes! Don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot. Holden is. Don't let him shoot. Nice, Holden! Nice! Jeez. Nice pass. Nice! Nice, Austin! Go. Nice. There we go!
Yeah.
Good job, Shakat. Shoot it.
Go, Tyler!
Yes! Nice! Nice.
Go, go, go.
4 seconds, shoot it!
Good job, Griffin. Oh, jeez.
Two guys stand on it.
Nice. Go, Michael! Oh, Tyler. Yes! Oh, nice. Nice! All right, good job, Griffin. Let's go, Austin. Go in, Tyler. Nice!
I have no clue on basketball rules. Ask me anything baseball, but you can. I barely.
Oh, nice move.
Oh, it was a good one.
Nice.
Kristin.
Nice, Brayden.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, because right there, they're right there. Yeah, you're right. I don't understand. These rules, I think they've changed.
That was a good one. That
Nice,
was really
Tyler.
Good play, Tyler.
Go, Austin. There you go. Yes. Shoot it.
The hole.
There you go. Shoot it. Nice. Nice, Austin. Go. There you go. Oh, shoot. Nice! Good help, Michael. Yes! Oh my God. Rebound! Nice, Kunal! Good job, Holden!
Go, go, go!
Nice! Nice! Oh, nice, Holden!
Go, Reed!
No! Go, Reed. Nice! Yeah! Get it, Austin! Nice! Good rebound, Holden! Oh, good job, Michael. Nice. Go, Griffin. There you go. Nice. Good job, Brayden. Good job, Brayden. Yes! That's right. Good job, Kanal. Nice. Shoot it, Tyler. Shoot it. Yeah! Let's go, Michael. Nice, Michael. Nice, Michael. Go, Michael. Easy, easy. Yes! Nice!
20 seconds.
Come on. Let's go, Griffin. Nice! Whoa! Wow! Yes! Oh my God! Whoa! Nice! Nice, Cole! Go, Michael!
Go, Michael!
Oh, do it again!
Michael!
Yes! Good job, Michael. Wow. Nice job, Kanal.
Guess he's gonna be in there.
All with us. Nobody else.
Oh, no, yeah, number 4. Yes! Good job, Austin. All the way. There you go. Good job, Tyler. Nice.
There you go. Forward.
finally going in. Yes! Go in. Go, Austin. Woo! Good job, Austin! Good job, Steph. Yes! There you go. All right. Rebound. Oh, nice read. We didn't score from the first to the fourth quarter, I don't think, yesterday. Yeah. All right. Nice, nice. Make it. There we go. There you go. There you go. Who's got three? Who's got three?
Unit!
Push it. Let's go. Take it in the lane. Go all the way in the lane. Just go. Hold. There we go. Oh.
They're just not falling.
That's how it is. Yes! Good job, Brayden.
Look for it!
There you go. There you go. Go.
Look for it, Crash! Parents, get it!
Yes! There you go. Shoot. Nice! Good job, Drew. There you go, Austin. Oh. That's a push. Nice! Woohoo!
Who's got?
They decided to do it. Nice! Oh! Nice!
Do that all game.
Get it, Tyler! Get it! You're nice! That was a little bit of a foul. Woo! There you go, Austin! There you go. Yep. Yes! Take it from there. Bounce the ball. Nice.
Get open!
There you go. There you go, Reed. Nice. Nice. Oh, good job, Griffin. Go, Tyler. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Now time.
What? She screamed, Happy scream.
Go,
Now
Griffin.
make it.
There you go. Good job, Knopf.
That's it.
There we go. Reed.
Hang on, Reed.
Yeah.
Get in there, Chris.
Yes. Woo. Go, Tyler. Go all the way. There you go. There you go. It's like. Gee, come on, get pushed.
Oh, it's not like a shot.
Nice, Austin.
Wide open on the right.
Go in.